Hello everyone, this is my second video for my video blog. Today I want to tell you a little bit about myself and my past week. Okay, I was born in Aktau city in Kazakhstan. Then I studied and worked in Pavlodar, also Kazakhstan. The last 7 years. This year I moved to Astana, and I really enjoy living and working in Astana. Okay, let me tell you about this week. For the first 3 days, I took my aunt to the hospital. On Monday and Tuesday, our school hosted an international conference about working with children with autism, with specialists from Israel. On Wednesday and Tuesday, I gave the final exams to students and entered grades for the first term. On Friday, we celebrated Republic Day in Kazakhstan. I spent this day for my girlfriend. I spent this day with my girlfriend. We had lunch at a Georgian restaurant and walked in the Korean garden. On Saturday, our school had an open day. Even though not many people came, it went really well. In the evening, Saturday, I went for a walk with my relatives, children, my cousin. Today, I also come to school to finish my works, some checks and work and documents. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you very much. See you next week.